Hi, I'm Chavi, and if you're a woman over 40, you might have noticed how unpredictable your energy levels have been getting. Some days you wake up feeling exhausted with body aches, and even the smallest of tasks feel like a challenge. Now, hormonal changes, lack of rest, and high stress levels can make you feel that way. It's how your body is changing and how hormones are shifting. You might try and exercise and push your body, but it does not respond the same way. Or you try to rest, but deep sleep feels elusive, something that you cannot attain despite your best efforts. Simple activities can leave you feeling drained, and you start to doubt yourself, wondering if you'll ever feel strong and energetic and confident again. And this is why I have created Sapta Shakti, a 7-day live online workshop designed specifically for women above 40 to help you to regain control of your body and your energy levels. Together, we'll learn energy boosting practices that you can do even on days when you're feeling tired because of lack of sleep, and restore your body in a hormone safe manner. The workshop is safe and it's easy to follow as a beginner. You learn how to improve the quality of your sleep, reduce hot flashes, and make your sleep more deep and restorative. Together, we'll do strength training sessions, the kind that make you feel strong and confident about your body's ability, with tools and techniques that you can carry on even after the workshop is done. Seats for this workshop are limited because I don't want to dilute my attention. It's a personal, intimate experience for women who are genuinely seeking to improve their energy levels. So if this truly resonates with you, register for the upcoming workshop and let's change the way that you feel every single day.